On the menu today will be red velvet cookie cake. You can make this into a cookie cake or you can make it into cookies. Y'all, today will be on screen instructions, directions on how to make either the cookie cake or the cookies. So you guys sit back and enjoy. And if this video helps you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a good old thumbs up for YouTube, please. And if you would like, you can leave a comment. All right, you guys, please enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys tried this delicious red velvet cookie recipe. Now, I hope you subscribe so that way you'll get uploads to all of the videos that I may put up and you won't miss anything. All right, y'all, stay safe. Don't forget, always wash your hands and leave them shoes at the door. I plan to see you all for the next video. I have got to go. I'll see y'all on the next one. All right, y'all. Bye.